Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, the cool is about right here, and basically what this is an optical digital audio cable that's male to male, and the one that we got right here is around 6 feet. And it's from the brand called Syncwire. So you definitely use this for a lot of different devices as long as it supports this plug outlet right here. But first thing first, I'm actually open the product to show you guys what it actually looks like and what's actually included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open the product, you can see the cable inside. Let's take it out. Alright, so when you first take it out, you can see they do provide a user guide inside to teach you guys how to maintain and how to use it. But right here we have the product. If you can see, the cable is pretty high quality. And you can see in this part right here, it is definitely gold plated, but I'm actually unravel this to show you guys how long it is first. Alright, so when we open it up, you can see how long the cable is right here. So it definitely has a pretty long range of how far it can go, since it is about 6 feet long. And in terms of the cable right here, it is soft and flexible, which is pretty nice. But like I mentioned, for the tip right here, where you're going to plug in the actual cable right here, it's definitely a high quality cable and also a high quality design in terms of what they use right here. So definitely should last you guys a really long time if you guys use the product. And the cable is especially high quality if you guys compare this to like the free cable that they give you guys when you guys buy certain products that actually provide you guys this cable. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually go bring this over to test it out and show you guys how it works and when it actually works. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here we have our old optical cable. If you can see, it definitely feels very flimsy and very weak compared to the new one. So I'm actually unplug this and plug in the new one and test it out. Alright, so we plugged in the other side of the cable, and once we do that, you can see this side of the cable actually lights up. So let's plug in this side as well. Alright, so let's plug in the new cable and test it out. Alright, so we got it in. Eventually it's kind of loose, but that's pretty normal for optical cable. But let's test it out and see how it works. Alright, so we got this connected to our subwoofer right here. That's connected to our cable box right here by Xfinity. So let's test it out.
You're having an amazing day at Smart Means and continually operated England.
Alright, so it definitely does work. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product and definitely see it actually does work and it works quite well. If you guys can see from the actual video, you can definitely see how flimsy my old cable was compared to this one. This one definitely feels like a much higher quality cable that will last you guys for a really long time, and you don't have to worry about breaking anytime soon since the quality of this cable is so much higher than that one. And definitely one of the most important thing about using one of these cables is the connectivity. Since it is a higher quality cable, it won't be super flimsy like the other one where you guys lose connection and everything. This one actually will have a good connection when you guys use it. But that's basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want more than need one of these. Especially if you're trying to look for a high quality optical cable to use for all your devices. Whether you guys want to use it for like your amplifiers, your television, your soundbar, or whatever. This one is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.